Whether you're new to Talantula or setting up your hiring process, you're in the right place. In this episode, we'll cover how to import candidates. Start by navigating to your profile settings from the main navigation menu. From here, click the Import option to begin the import process. Talantula allows you to import candidates using a spreadsheet template. This makes it easy to migrate candidate databases from other systems or legacy files. Download the import template, then prepare your candidate data with the required fields such as name, email, phone number, skills, and experience details. Make sure to enter the mandatory information as provided in the guidelines. Once your file is ready, upload it into Talantula using Select File button. Talantula will display the import progress and provide a status once the process is complete, or highlight missing fields, formatting issues, or duplicate candidate records. Imported candidates are now available in your candidate database and can immediately be used for searches, pipelines, and hiring workflows. You can adjust mappings manually if needed. This helps maintain clean and accurate candidate records during the import process. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow the channel for more Talantula training videos and workflow tutorials.